Do you want to see liked photos on Instagram? You can find all liked pictures in Instagram with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to see liked photos on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Finding liked photos on Instagram allows you to revisit and review the content you have interacted with by liking. It provides you with a way to reminisce about past experiences, moments, or interests you've engaged with on the platform. To view all liked photos on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to navigate to your profile. Once on your profile, locate and tap on the three horizontal lines menu icon in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, scroll down and select Your Activity. In the Your Activities screen, tap on Likes. This will display all the posts you've liked, including both photos and videos. To filter the liked content, tap on the All Content Types option at the top of the screen. A pop-up menu will appear with options to filter the content. Select Posts. Instagram will now display all the photos that you have liked, including both recent and older ones. You can scroll through the list to view all the liked photos. If you want to unlike any photo, simply tap on the heart icon again to remove your like. By following these simple steps, you can easily view and manage all the photos you've liked on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And leave a comment in the comments section below.